going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're visiting one of the most exclusive dealerships. We are at Pupil of Fate in Dubai, so let's take a look at what they have. As we walk in, we are greeted by a new 911 Turbo S. Then there's a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series, McLaren 675 LT Spider, Ferrari 458 Speciale, unique spec with grey with a yellow stripe and gold wheels. Then there's a Mercedes SLS. This is not the Black Series, but it's still very cool nonetheless. Then there is a 911, I believe this is the 997. Then a Aston Martin DBX, Aston's new SUV. Then on this side we have a Aston Martin Lagonda, quite rare, 5.9 litre V12 saloon from Aston. Over this side, Maybach GLE. Then just behind that is a AMG G63. These seem to be quite popular in Dubai. Then if you move over, they have an Alfa Romeo 8C, limited production of 500 units. Next to that is a Ferrari 550 Maranello. Behind that is a Ferrari 812 Superfast, Mercedes SL63. Then this is something really cool, a Renault Clio V6, mid-engine 3-litre V6 rear-wheel drive hatchback. You can see the widened fenders and air vent on the side, it's just insane. Then there's a 911 GT3, very nice lava orange paint, and of course another 911 Turbo S. Then Acura NSX, and of course another 911 Turbo S, this time in blue. Actually like this one a lot. 911 Targa, I believe this is the 964. Please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. And just behind that we have an absolute legend, definitely one of my favorites here, BMW E30 M3. Now we never get these in South Africa, so I am pretty excited to see one. There are some people who have started to import them though. I'm not sure if this has been restored, but it's definitely immaculate. Looks like it just came off the production line. And this side, a Jaguar Project 8. They only made 300 of these. Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead, and Bentley Flying Spur, and Porsche Macan as well. And a Mercedes S63 AMG V8 bi-turbo convertible, very nice with white exterior, red interior, and a AMG E63 as well. On this wing of the dealership there's more supercars and hypercars. Over here we have a Lamborghini Aventador S, 6.5 litre V12, 544 kilowatts, 619 Newton meters. Ford GT, just chilling in track mode, 3.5 litre V6 EcoBoost. Then another legend, Porsche Carrera GT, 5.7 litre V10. McLaren Speedtail, 3-seater configuration, only 106 made. Behind the Carrera is a Ferrari SF90, 4 litre V8 with 3 additional electric motors. I believe this is currently the fastest production Ferrari. McLaren 765 LT Coupe, a second AMG GT Black Series, and a second McLaren 765 LT Spider. And as we move over to this side where there is a collection of white vehicles, we also have the second Lamborghini Aventador. Behind this there is a second Ferrari SF90 Stradale, this time in white with the red interior. And behind that there is a McLaren Mercedes SLR. These are now climbing in value. 5.4 liter supercharged V8, which is very cool. And behind this is a Pagani Huayra with a Tempesta package. It has a AMG sourced twin turbo V12 making 562 kilowatts. Gorgeous white and white spec. Take a look at the interior. As they say, it's more than a hypercar. It's actually more for a work of art. And last but not least, we have the big boy, the Bugatti Chiron. 8 liter quad turbo, 16 cylinders, over 1000 kilowatts and 1600 newton meters of torque. At the time of its release, it was the fastest production car in the world, with a top speed of 490 kilometers per hour, which is absolutely ridiculous. I'm so glad I got to see one in person. It's actually smaller than it seems in pictures and videos, but guys, this place is just amazing. If you're ever in Dubai and you'd like to see some cool exotic cars, definitely come past this Pupil of Fate just off Sheikh Zayed Road, and let me know which was your favorite here. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.